Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. Today we are tackling one of the biggest questions on every aspiring international student's mind. Which country should I choose for my overseas education in 2025? Stick around because we are counting down the top 5 countries for Indian students to study abroad, including their pros, cons, and how to decide which is best for you. But उससे पहले make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned because we are about to save you a ton of time, money and stress. Alright, these aren't just random picks. ये destinations consistently high rank करती हैं in quality of education, safety, career opportunities and overall student satisfaction. So number 1 is USA, the United States of America. No surprise here, it's been a top choice for decades. बात करते हैं pros की. First is world class university. The US boasts some of the most high ranked institutions globally जो कि आपको offer करती है cutting edge research facilities and a diverse range of courses. Second is cultural diversity. You will meet people from around the world, all over the world, making it a melting pot of ideas, traditions, and networking opportunities. Next is career pathways. With generous optional practical training, OPT periods, you can gain valuable work experience right after your graduation. बात करते हैं cons की. Cost of education and living is number 1. Well, USA में tuition and living expenses में आपको hike दिखेगी, especially big cities में. Second आता है complex application processes. Multiple standardized tests होंगे, essays होंगे और recommendations can be overwhelming to you. Coming to how we can help. At GradOut, we simplify the entire US application process, shortlisting universities, guiding you through scholarship opportunities, and assisting with visas so you can focus on what matters most, your future. Next. Secondly, we have United Kingdom, a blend of tradition and innovation. Coming to the pros, first is prestigious university. Think King's College London, University of Birmingham, Queen Mary University of London, and tons of other top-ranked institutions. Second is shorter degrees. Bachelor's degree often finished in 3 years. Master's is in just 1 year, saving you a lot of time and money. Next is post study work visa. UK आपको ऑफर करता है 2 year of post study work visa, जिससे आपके लिए ग्रेजुएशन के बाद एम्प्लॉयमेंट ढूंढना काफी इजी हो जाता है. Coming to the cons, high living cost, especially London जैसे शहरों में. Next is intense academic review. The UK's academic style demands a lot of independent study and critical thinking. Thirdly, moving to the rising star, Ireland. बात करिए अगर pros की तो first is booming tech and finance sector. Ireland is the European headquarters for many global tech giants like Google and Facebook. Next is English-speaking environment, the pro, जिससे communication यहाँ पे और भी ज़्यादा easy हो जाती है for Indian students. Next one is post-study work permit. You can stay and work up to 2 years after graduation, which is very great for every student who wants to make their career outside. Coming to the cons, first is weather. Ireland's weather can be quite rainy and gloomy anytime, you never know. Next is fewer university seats. High demand sometimes means limited spots in top courses. Fourth one is Australia. Let's head down to this country. Talking about the pros, first is quality of life. यहाँ का environment काफ़ी safe और welcoming है and is known for a relaxed pace of life. Next is strong employment opportunity. Part-time work is easier to find and post-study work visas can be quite generous here. Cutting-edge research यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है that Australia invests heavily in research, offering top-notch facilities to their students. Coming to the cons, the only con here is high tuition and living expenses. Big cities like Sydney and Melbourne are pricey. Finally, New Zealand, often overshadowed by its neighbor Australia, but it's quietly becoming a hot destination now. बात करें अगर पोस्ट की, फर्स्ट इज एक्सीलेंट क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन. न्यूजीलैंड यूनिवर्सिटीज आर रिसर्च ड्रिवन एंड रैंक हाईली वर्ल्ड वाइड, नो डाउट. नेक्स्ट इज वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. ये कंट्री सेफ, friendly and less crowded है, that gives you a supportive environment to study and grow all together. Next is post-study work right. Generous post-study work options यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाते हैं to kickstart your career. Talking about the cons, limited university options. Fewer institutions means fewer seats in popular courses. Next आ जाता है higher living cost. Outside main city, even smaller towns can be pricey due to limited housing supply here. Now, how we can help you? We'll help you pick the right course, prepare your application, sort your visa processes, and even advise on part-time job opportunities so you land on your feet as soon as you arrive there. So there you have it, the top 5 countries for Indian students जहाँ आपको 2025 में पढ़ने जाने के लिए अब्रॉड में सोचने की कोई भी जरूरत. The USA, UK, Ireland, Australia एंड न्यूजीलैंड. हर एक कंट्री आपको इनक्रेडिबल अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफर करती है, बट द बेस्ट चॉइस डिपेंड्स ऑन योर पर्सनल गोल्स, करियर एस्पिरेशंस एंड बजट. Don't let all these details overwhelm you. At GradOut, we are here to help you every step of the way. Our team of expert counselors offer personalized guidance to you at every step. We know the ins and outs of each country's admission cycle, work permit, laws, and financial aid packages. So get your free counseling now. Just fill out the Google form, link is in the description. And if you found out this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss our latest insight into international education.